Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. And it's your boy Busy Bee Science here, just going through some archives. I've literally just connected my Atari ST to this HP monitor here, yeah, and it's working really well. I've taken it out some sort of RGB to whatever connection, never mind. But yeah, it's working really well. The monitor's looking a lot better now. I've got a bit more control over what's going on my screens. And I'm literally in the process of just loading up songs, trying to find discs that are missing, trying to compile all the discs properly, trying to figure out what's going on with all of the samples. And you could hear what I'm up to so far. What you can see here is a retro version of Cubase on the Atari. This is the way we used to do it back in the day, guys. Really, really simple. Really, you know, simple way of producing. I'll give you a quick playback of what we got so far. So this track here is missing a few samples. I believe there's a disc missing. This is a track I did called BLOODCLART. And I've got the disc here which I'm trying to find. I believe there's one disc missing with some vocals with the 950. So once I find that, people, this tune would be working 100%. But as you can see over here, I'll give you a little quick shot. This is probably one of the worst things you can see when you're loading discs. You know, bad data from discs drives you mad. But what can you do? You know. Now, I don't think this is the right vocal for it. Sounds alright though. You can see I've got this playing here. It's the Atari Akai S3200 S950. Running into the Mackie desk, and over here, little arrangement. Check it out. Hey, this ain't sounding too bad, man. I don't know if this is correct. It sounds alright though. Yo, Control and E, Shift and E, or Alt and E. Can't even remember these keys, man. Yes, Massive and Crew, pretty gutted. I accidentally just saved over one of my discs. So, word of a warning, guys. Always make sure this right protect tab is always off or on before you go ahead and start working in this. I can't believe how easy it is just to save over a disc, and I've just lost a key disc on the Akai S950 for this song to work. So I may have some samples on file which I've sort of archived previously. I'm just banking on that, man. Also doing 20% off on the Sampleoids website for this month only. So if you want to grab some merchandise, some sample packs or anything on there that you've been having your eye on for a while, now's the time to get it. All you got to do is use this code on the screen and check out, and you'll get 20% off. Guys, so lucky. I actually managed to save a disc the other day, made a duplicate of it. So I've learned a hard lesson. The tune's running now. Rolling. Yes, yes. Yes, there's Massive and Crew rolling it out. This is how we used to do it back in the day. Just running off tune here, not quite finished. Find a couple more bits for it. This one's called Raw Deal. Have a look at that edit there. I think there's a problem with one of the Amen edits.